Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Creating the Heart, and I'm here with a haul from Michael's and Tuesday Morning. I know I haven't I've posted a lot of things in the last week or two. I've just been really, really busy with baseball and a bunch of other stuff and just kind of lack of mojo. So I'm going to get back to it. Don't worry, there will be things posted, but for now, I'm going to share a haul. So I went to Michael's and I had a 60% off coupon. So I bought a couple things with my 60% off coupon. And a 50% off coupon, and the rest are items that were on sale. So I bought this Tim Holtz tissue paper, and it ended up being only $4 because I used the Joann's 60% off coupon. And then I used 50% for this. This is the Dilutions coloring sheets. So that was 50%. And then I bought the Creative Diary, which I already have some of the journal books, but I'm going to fool around with this. I don't know if I'm going to fool around now, fool around later. Today I went there and bought with my 50% or 60% the paint pens from Dilutions. So I've got a big mess over here I've got to clean up. And then on sale, 50% was this whole line. So if you go there, they have this like Pulrific line. They have a Fiesta line. Shoot, what's that other one called? I think I have it here. The Cheeky Modern Pop line. That's what I had bought before. All 50% off. So it's a really good deal. And this stuff is super, super cute. So this is the Pulrific one. And I'm just loving it. And it's a lot of, not all of the papers, but there is a lot of sort of foiled papers in there, which is really, really cute. So I got that. I also got this, which is, it says it's stickers. Maybe they do stick, but they're like die cuts almost, but they say they're stickers. So, and then here are what you get. Really, really cute. And then I also got, this is also 50%. These are stencils. So the stencils are super, super fun. Normally $10, but they were half off. And if you have the app, then you go to Michael's, you can get a coupon for 15% off your whole purchase. So that includes sales stuff. So I got 15% off on that. And then these brushes were $8. And then this was 40% off. This is the Mixed Media Essentials from Finnabar. Prima, and so you get heavy gesso in white and black, modeling paste, gloss gel, soft in 3D, and texture paste. And that was 40% off. Then from Tuesday Morning, I never find what other people find. For one thing, they never really have anything super new at my Tuesday Morning. They never have, hardly ever have dyes. Hardly ever. But I did find some things that products I use. So I thought, what the heck? This is a Vicky Boughton Wonder Tool. I'm not exactly sure what it is. It's $4.99, normally $20. And apparently it has all these different tools that you can use for your projects, like different palette knives and things like that you could just interchange the tip for. So I thought, what the heck? I'll try it. They had Echo Park Party Time. This is a little bit older birthday pad, but you can always use birthday paper. And this one's $2.99. And then I also picked up the Beach Day one, which is a Carta Bella for $2.99. I picked up 2 stamp sets. So this is a Bo Bunny for $2.99. And then this is a Stampendous for $4.99, really because I wanted this sunflower. And then I did get a couple paper packs. They did have quite a few of the summer paper packs from Echo Park. So I didn't get them all. I just got the ones I liked the best because I don't think I've had Summer Days, but I've had most of the other ones. So this one is designed by Bella Road. $5.99 for these paper packs from Echo Park. So this is Summer Days. This one is Summer Bliss. I might not have had this one either. I think that's why I picked that one up. And then this is Authentique, and I love this so much. It is $5.99, and it's the Authentique Cheerful Collection Kit. I'm so excited to get this because whenever I go there, they never have any Authentique. And so Authentique is super, super expensive. It's between $20 and $25 for their paper pads and paper packs. And so this one is super fun and cute, and I can't wait to make something with this one. So it's $5.99. They actually have 2 of these, but I just took one. Left something for someone else. So anyway, that's my quick and fun haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy.